a jewel in the crown called India, in our beautiful state of Goa. When we celebrate 60 years of our liberation, it is my proud to welcome the Honorable President of our great country, Honorable President of India, Shri Ramnath Kovindji, his better half and the First Lady of India, Savita Kovindji, the Honorable Governor of Goa, Bhagat Singh Koshari ji, our very own and Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant ji, Mrs. Sawant ji, our Honorable Minister of State, Independent Charge, Ayush, Sripad Naik ji, also holding the charge of Minister of State for Defence. Our Honorable Leader of the Opposition, Shri Digambar Kamath ji, my honorable colleagues in the Goa Cabinet, members of the Legislative Assembly, esteemed guests of the days, ladies and gentlemen, as we commemorate our 60 years of liberation, as all Goans celebrate, we definitely have reason and cheer to celebrate. Sir, the amount of progress with different successive governments have contributed and built this state, so much so that today in the whole country we are known and accepted as the most progressive state in the entire country, recognized all over the world for its beauty, its beautiful people, their mannerism, which attracts tourists from all over the world, not only once, but again and again, sir. This is our USP, and we have made tremendous progress in every sphere of activity. But sir, particularly in the last 9 years, our government has done tremendous progress, huge projects, trying to improve the infrastructure, trying to improve the connectivity, trying to build good roads, huge bridges, giving social security schemes to people, innovative schemes to the people, to the poor and downtrodden. So much so that we have been awarded year after year in every category by none other than India Today and various other organizations. This has been recognized and accepted by one and all. Sir, but we don't rest on our laurels. We want to do more and more progress with more help from the central government. And in doing so, in getting some bigger projects, sometimes perhaps that there is some misunderstanding. There is less acceptability amongst a certain section of the people, as it happens in a vibrant democracy and should happen. But sir, it is very heartwarming, sir. When our real test was there recently, we had something called Zila Parishad election, both in the north and south of Goa. In entire Goa, the present ruling party nominees swept the elections. An indication of acceptability of the progress that is being made by this government, which speaks volumes that something good is happening in our states. Yes, sir. Still it is an incomplete task. We have lots to do, and we want everybody's cooperation. And I'm sure our Honorable Chief Minister will seek the cooperation and guidance of everybody. Sir, we also want your guidance, sir, the Honorable President of India. I also had the rare privilege of hosting you when you were the candidate to become president, and you swept those presidential elections. Such is your personality. We look forward in the future of having your guidance and support. And once again, I welcome you, your better half, and everyone present here, Honorable Governor, our Chief Minister, and everyone present here. I extend to all of you a very, very warm welcome. Let us commemorate, let us celebrate a great occasion where we complete 60 years of our liberation. Thank you very much, sir.